What's up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. I haven't been vlogging in a while, but I'm here. We have a special guest. Well, you guys seen him in the videos before, but he finally has his car out and he's finally starting to drive again. So, you guys want to meet the owner, or you guys already met him? But
hey,
come here, new owner. Come here, owner. Come here, owner. And we got Kenny back here too.
Yeah, my best of Ellen. What's going on, YouTube?
Hey, so Nick, we've seen you in the vlogs before.
Yeah.
And we never really got to see your car. Do you want to tell us?
Yeah. So here.
Oh, okay.
So. Toyota. This is my car. Toyota RX 350.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
This is how it's supposed to be. Yeah.
It's just,
yeah. It's not supposed to be clear. It's supposed to be like this.
yeah, it's JDM right there.
Dude, you see the clip coming off there a little bit. Not too bad.
Just a little quick buff job.
So what happened there? Dude, what the fuck is that?
Hey, where'd he go? Kenny, where'd he go?
I don't even know.
Oh, there he is.
Nah, this is my car.
Oh, wait. Oh, you guys saw a sneak peek. You guys can. Oh. But we have Nick's car. You guys want to unveil it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this is the car. This is Nick's Subaru STI. And oh my god. Oh, he got the fresh cut too? Okay. But what we doing here, Nick?
I'm doing my brakes. I can't. I'm up on it like an uphill. And I pull my e-brake. I'll slide down, so I gotta put it in reverse.
Oh. And then we're also doing maintenance stuff. You already did the oil change.
Yeah, I'm doing my oil change just because I don't want it to sit too long with that nasty ass oil. Plus it is leaking somewhere. And I'm also doing my exhaust. The new picked that up a while back.
Wow.
It's just a pseudo catback with the resonator delete. The previous guy did it. I bought it for like
Wow.
$250. And then I just got some AutoZone brake pads because, you know, I get them for this.
Wow. So we're gonna put this little puppy on there, and it's looking really nice with the STI. Oh, and we got my car. You know, little piece of shit, but yeah. I'm about to do some interior mods too for the RSX. From the previous video, you guys saw me get the A-Spec little... Get over there. Superman. Oh, look at that big, strong man. Wow.
Yo, these wheels need to go, bro. Oh, these plastic dipped it.
Oh. Wow. But we got some interior A-Spec pieces for the RSX from the previous video. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna lower the car, max it out. And I actually fixed the exhaust leak. You guys didn't know that, but I had a fat exhaust leak on the RSX. And
yeah. Oh shit.
You finally got it off? Oh.
Look under.
Oh.
I think that would look a lot better.
Yeah. Alright, Kenny. Go do some work. Come on.
Okay.
Start peeling. While Nick does that to the STI, I'm gonna show you guys what happened to the RSX, or let you guys hear the RSX now, since it got chopped off in the mid pipe and I replaced it with a 3-inch pipe, and now it sits higher. I don't know how, but it sits where the frame of the car is, so I won't scrape as much. So let me just sit you guys here. Apparently, I don't know, it sounds quieter to me, but let me know what you guys think. That's what the RSX is sounding like now. Let me know if you guys hear a difference between before and now. I think I hear a difference. But while Nick is doing that, we're gonna be installing the A-Spec trim right now. Oh. So I messed up, guys. I accidentally sat on the interior piece. So I got this super glue, and I'm gonna just let it sit for a bit, and then I'll install this later. The other trim piece is on, but I'm gonna show you guys both of them on later. But while I'm letting that sit, I'm gonna do Nick's headlights, since it does need a little buff, and we'll make it clear. So let's do that. Alright, so Timmy's here. Hey. He was supposed to get his car today.
Saturday.
But I am done with both headlights. Don't mind this. This is from the inside, but both are clean now. Woo! That shit bussin'. Nick is done with all 4 brake pads. How was it, Nick? Oh.
Cake. It was cake.
Wow.
Can I get the shorts line?
Wow. Yeah. As you can probably tell, the wheels are black, but they're plasti dipped. We did not know that until Nick started scratching it and then started peeling off. So look at this. Looks ugly. And now we got. Woo! That shit's shiny good. Sheesh. We're putting Kenny to work since he is not a full car guy yet. So we gotta put him to work. So what are we doing next?
Exhaust.
Oh. Is that a tomato?
Can't really get to the cylinder for cooling water.
Is that a tomato?
And then, should I put the AC belt or should I just wait? I don't need AC right now. It's not that hot.
It's pretty hot.
Shut the fuck up.
It's pretty
I got 4 windows.
hot down there. Oh, oh sorry. But yeah, we got Tomei now, right?
Unburnt tip.
Right, unburnt tip Tomei. And let's see what it sounds like. It is a resonator delete as well. Previous owner did that, and hopefully it sounds good. You think it sounds good? I think it sounds good.
It sounds good. It sounds a little raspy, but
I mean, it's fine. Single exit.
it's gonna sound raspy.
But the headlights look clean. The front end looks way better now, right?
Yeah, it just needs a wash.
Wow. All right, what you think, Kenny?
About
the whole car life thing, you know, like, you know.
thumbs up, man.
Guess what car Kenny is planning to get in the future? What does he look like? Does he look like a FRS owner? Does he look like a Subi owner, Evo owner, a Honda owner? I mean, he drives a Civic now, but that's not his actual like car that he wants. So let me know if you guys think so. He got the Adidas on, the joggers. He got the yeah, black shirt. He got a he's Viet. Yeah. Comment down below what you guys think Kenny drives or what will drive. He looks like a.
Give them hint. Give them hint.
Oh.
It's
What's a hint that won't give it away?
it's a JDM legend.
No, you can't tell them it's a legend.
It's a JDM car.
It's a JDM old school? Yeah, like the old school JDM cars. It's older than all of our cars here. So it's older than my car. It's a 02. It's older than that car, obviously, 09. And I'm just gonna let y'all know it's rear-wheel drive and two-door. There we go, two-door. So let me know what you guys think. What Kenny will get in the future. As Nick is doing that, I think the trim is finally done and dried up. Let's put this on the car and hopefully it stays and doesn't crack on me again. See a little band-aid. Ghetto band-aid. Alright, you guys, I parked a little farther than my house because doing a little construction thing at my house, but I finally got it on. Look kind of nice, right? You know what I'm saying? Just don't mind the yeah, but overall looks pretty good, right? Matches this, matches that, and it matches the A-spec climate controls, you feel me? But simple, easy mod. It made a pretty big difference, so I'm glad that I got these for a steal. Got him for a steal. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? For a low price. A steal. Never steal from Pick and Pull, guys. Please pay for your stuff. If you're broke like me, maybe. But I suggest not, because you will never like go far in life if you steal. But in the future, once you get like, you know, money and stuff, go, I don't know where I'm going with this, but just don't steal, because it's bad. Bad kids. Don't do it. Don't steal. Stay in school. It's time for the exhaust. Good job, Kenny.
Yeah.
Doing great. Doing great. Now you gotta do all four, or the rest of the three. Hey, what are you doing? But here's a quick sound test for what it is right now. What is the setup? So just a muffler delete, I guess. The ghetto muffler delete. The ghetto muffler delete. Where'd it go? Oh.
See this? I'm gonna do what Christian did. Cut this.
Bash bar?
And that bash bar.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh wait, I already got one.
Oh. Shut yo! But quick sound test for the boys. For the boys.
Sound test?
Yeah, quick sound test before and after. Why he do that, bro? Why he look like that? Whose shorts are those, dog? Bro, why he got the red shorts on with the green, bright ass green motherfucking pants, bro? With the gray shirt on, bro. What he doing, bro? Look at him. Look at him. Oh hell no. What the fuck? Oh. 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 Sounds very good.
Oh yeah.
¡Wow! ¡Delicioso!
So update, I think an hour or two has passed already, and we made some progress with the wheels. That one's super clean. This one, Kenny's still working on. Nick, what you got over here? Oh, is that a tomato? Is that a tomato?
This is a tomato.
Oh, whoa!
No, that's SRS.
Oh, wow. SRS muffler, you know what I'm saying? This is from the FRS that Nick had. Yeah, here's the update on the other side of the wheels. Almost gone. This is my side. Basically almost gone. But yeah, we made some great progress on the STI, and Nick did the exhaust, oil change, brake pads, did other stuff too, exterior mods. And this is the old one, the old stock piping. The previous owner, I guess, took off the stock resonator and replaced it with whatever this is. And yeah, we got the headlights all buffed out and clean.
Hold on.
Which thing? Which thing? 10 out of 10?
Like a, what the fuck? Like a, I say like a 7.5.
Oh wow. I like it. It's not too loud and it sounds deep tone. Wow. Great. Oh. Time to straight pipe. Yeah?
No, I'm not trying to get pulled over right
Oh. You're right.
No, it's not even feeling, bug. You're scraping this thing.
We're going to be on the way to the car wash, and we're gonna wash this thing for the first time in 5 months. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Show off. Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please hit that like button. Comment down below what y'all think. And more videos on the RSX pretty soon. More stuff going on to the RSX. And I really want to do -10 on the front and the rear pretty soon. But I'm still waiting on the wheels that is coming. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what y'all think about Nick's car and what we did to it, and subscribe if you're new. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.